Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a squishy collection tour. So this includes all my Needohs, my big squishies, my foam squishies, and the water-filled squishies. I don't have many of those though. So let's get started. So first I have this ice cream cone squishy. It's a foam one, like the OG squishies. I think it's supposed to be like grape scented. Yeah, I really love this one. Next, I have my alpaca or llama squishy. Next, I have this smooshy mouse squishy with a keychain. Then I have this squishy. It's from like Dollar Tree. It's kind of broken or torn because I've had it for a while. Then I have this velvet squishy. It's a bear in a cup. Then I have this Shopkin squishy. It's a bowl of rice. Next I have this one from Dollar Tree. It's a dog. And I have a duplicate. Then I have this other smooshy bunny with chocolate, a peppermint, and a sweet heart candy on its head. That's the brand. Next I have this thing. I forgot what it's called, but it's filled with water. Has glitter in it. Okay, and then I have this water-filled Orbeez ball. Then I have this baby dinosaur. It's rainbow. Foam squishy. Okay, and then I have this Squishmallow squishy. It's B. Next, I have this Num Noms squishy. It's supposed to be an ice cream bunny. Foam squishy. Next, I have another velvet squishy. It's a mint ice cream. Foam squishy. Then I have this Rilakkuma. It's supposed to be Krilakkuma. What is it called? Cream puff? Squishy. Then I have this pancake squishy. Next I have another smooshy. It's a red panda in a takeout box. Then I have this unicorn squishy. This brand's kind of like not well known, so I'll show you. It's WAI. It's kind of blurry on camera. It's a unicorn ice cream foam squishy. Next I have another smooshy. This dog. I don't know how this ink got on it. It's on top of a burger with pickles on its head. It's kind of cute. It's a keychain. Next is a velvet squishy. It's a narwhal. Next I have my jumbo eye bloom peach. I think that's what it's called. These used to be real popular. The peach. Then I have my slice of cake, my galaxy cake. Then I have my banana. You can stretch it. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. I have my fruit, Needoh, groovy fruit. I think that's what it's called, the orange. And there's the other one. Can't find it right now. I have my cheese. Moving to the more modern Needohs. I have my Pusheen foam squishy. This one's on Amazon, by the way. Then I have my cat in a donut squishy. Next we have my groovy fruit strawberry Needoh. I have the banana too, but I lost it. Well, I had it, but I lost it. I got these back in like 2021, I think. Okay, now to my most recent ones. I have this giant banana. I have my butter. This one's from Target. The banana's from Walmart, by the way. Next, I have my carrot. This one's from Target. This one is, I forgot where it's from. I think it's from Walmart. It's a strawberry. I got it today for Easter. My mom found it for me. My taba squishies are next. So I have my sushi. This one's double bagged because this bag won't close very well and I don't want it to dry out. And yeah, it's kind of sticky. This is my sushi though. Next I have my giant paw print. It smells like bubblegum. It's got like some fur on it and pom-poms. Then I have the tiny version of it. I got this one today. It has a charm. Next I have this taba squishy. It's a cat. It's so cute. And yeah, it's a little torn in the back. That's okay. It's from series 2. It's the plushies. I got that one for Easter. The next ones I'm going to show you I got for Easter, but hold on before I do that. I have my color change Needoh. Changes from pink to purple. Next I have my funky pups. I have this pink one. It's a real Needoh. And then I have a turquoise one too. Phil, get out of the bag. I keep them in bags so they don't get dirty when I'm storing them away. Okay. Next, I have my swirl Needohs. They're all in here. Then I have my nice cube. My blue one. And I have a purple one too. I just don't want to take it out right now. And then I have my nice ice baby Needohs. I have 2 in here, my pink and blue one. I just kept this so I could store them in here so they don't get lost. And I was playing with these earlier, so that's why they're out. I have a purple one, 2 blue ones, and a pink one. Next I have this one. This is my fruit salad ball. It's so cute. It's got faces on it. There's like a banana, orange. I think those are blueberries. I think that's either a cherry or a strawberry. I'm not really sure. And then my last one I forgot to include is over there. That is my iceberg. It's really hard. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let me know down in the comments which squishy was your favorite in the video. And yeah, bye guys.